What's up fans from Switch, my name is Josh. Today, I would like to share with you one feature from the iPhone or iPad that can help you to make sure that you have enough sleep every day. See, everybody loves to sleep.
Not really.
Okay, you'll be surprised that not everybody loves to sleep. Like me. Personally, I used to be someone who doesn't like to sleep. I only sleep when I feel tired, so sometimes I only sleep like 2-3 hours a day. And since last year, when I started to be a little bit aware of my health condition, I knew that my body wasn't in good shape. And after doing some research and also get some advice from some of the experts in this field, I only found out one of the reasons or one of the factors of me putting out so much weight, other than not having a good diet or having a good exercise routine and all, is I don't have enough sleep. Sleep plays an important role when it comes to good health and well-being throughout your life. Getting enough sleep at night can help you to protect your mental health and also your physical health. In another word, while you're sleeping, your body is working to support healthy brain functions and maintain your physical health. And I'll put a link somewhere in the description, whether it's below or above, that talks about 10 reasons why good sleep is important. If you want to know more, you can go and check it out. So since we are all in the lockdown in Malaysia right now, I think it's the best time for us to practice this. Take care of your work or your business by being productive all day long, and also learn to take care of your body by staying active and having enough rest. Now this feature is what we call Bedtime. It's actually inside your clock app, which is already built in on your iPhone or your iPad. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how you can actually use this feature. First, let's launch your clock apps. Now just look for your clock app. If you cannot find, just swipe down from the middle of the screen and you can look for clock, C-L-O-C-K, and you will see this clock app over here. Now just tap on the clock app, and first you will see either your world clock, or if you use alarm, then you will see your alarm, right? And I want you to choose the third option, which is bedtime. And if you're new here, you will see the setup screen, right? So tap on your setup, and it will start with asking you like what time you want to wake up. Let's say I want to wake up on 8 AM. So I can just swipe up until I see 8 AM. Okay, and then once you're ready, tap on next. And here you have your alarm. Now this alarm sounds, right? I love this because it's not like the usual alarm sound that it will just shock you up, like loud and noisy, right? This is very soothing. Let me give you one example, like first line. Personally, I use this right now. Right, it's very soothing, it's nice. Right, and of course there are still much more options that you can choose over here. Once you're done, tap on next. Okay, and then you will set your bedtime. So it will ask you like what time you want to sleep, right? Let's say I usually say on 10 PM, then I just put 10 PM. Okay, once I'm done, tap on next. And choose your bedtime schedule days. So let's say for example, if you only want to wake up so early in the weekdays while you're working, then you can just turn on Monday to Friday, and then you can turn off Saturday and Sunday by just tap once on each day. So meaning I tap on Saturday, Sunday, then it will just turn off. So meaning it will only run during the weekdays. Once you're done, tap on next, and look after your sleep. So later you can choose to turn on Do Not Disturb if you want. Alright, once you're done, tap on done. That's it, you're all set. So here you can see this is your bedtime dashboard over here. And if you tap once on the bedtime and workout, the top one, you tap in, you will see this like a donut, like a yellow donut, right? Now this is where you can change your settings. For example, if let's say Monday is my off day, I want to take a leave, right? I can just turn off Monday, so I don't have to wake up so early on Monday. Right, you can choose that. Or you can either like change your wake up time. For example, now, right, we're talking about having a good sleep. If you sleep too little, it's not good. If you sleep too much, it's also not good, right? So now, let's take a standard one, like the healthy good sleep is around 8 hours. So let's say I want to make it 8 hours. What I can do is that you can see there's a middle one that says 10 hours, right? So what you can do is that you can tap and hold on the ZZZ, the sleep icon. Just swipe up until you make it to 8 hours. There you go. Okay, so now you have 8 hours of sleep, right? Now let's say tomorrow morning you want to wake up on 7 AM. So just tap and hold on the yellow bar and swipe up until you see the wake up become 7 a.m. There you go. Okay? So once you set 7 a.m. right now, it will tell you if you want to wake up on 7 a.m. and you want to have 8 hours of sleep, you need to sleep by 11 p.m. See? This is good, right? And if you want to have more settings, you want to have more details, you can just go back, which is tap on the top left corner, go back, and then tap on option, which is on the top left corner as well. Tap on option. Now here you can have other features, right? For example, bedtime reminder. So sometimes we work very hard, we are doing our things and we somehow forget about our time, right? And this allows the phone or the bedtime to actually remind you. Okay, I want you to tap in, and you will see. If you don't want, you can just tap on none. If you want, you can just choose like a bedtime of 15 minutes before up to 1 hour before. Now this is good because sometimes when you need to sleep on 11 p.m. but you want to be reminded like, oh yeah, I have to go sleep now, then there's no time for you to go brush your teeth lah, or no time for you to prepare yourself before you go to sleep. So if you are someone who do a lot of things before you sleep, you can choose maybe 15 minutes before or even 30 minutes or 1 hour before, right? For me, I usually choose 15 minutes before, so that I have time to go and wash my face, brush my teeth, then I go to sleep, right? So once you're done, tap on option, which is go back to the previous page, and you can turn on your track time in bed. You can actually turn on do not disturb during bedtime. So meaning if you turn on do not disturb, right, meaning there's no calls going to come in and wake you up, right, during while you're sleeping. So this is good. You can turn it on. If you don't want to miss out any calls, you can still turn it off, then the calls will come in. And of course, you can change your wake up sound again here if you want to choose, and the volume, right? So once you've done your settings, you can tap on the top right corner, done, then you're good to go. So this is how you can make use of your bedtime features. And you can also see there's an analysis part at below the bedtime and wake up portion. And this is where you can see your sleep analysis. Now the more you use bedtime, the more data you will have. And if you want to go more detail, you can actually tap in to show more in health and it will show you more details. And yeah, that's how bedtime can help you to get to bed earlier, wake up on time, and feel more rested during the day. And with that said, that's all I want to share with you today. And I really hope this feature benefits you and helps you to get back on track again. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you feel that this video is beneficial for you, don't forget to share to your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So see you all on the next video. Take care and stay safe.